Hi, good evening and welcome to my channel, Daily Market Views by Navaldeep. Today was a really downside day. Market opened and that was the high as well. And then it started selling throughout the day and only until last 3:30, it started to recover some of the losses. But still, it had a massive red candle. Today, all the analysis which we didn't work out or like didn't even trigger. Only the short sell on futures were working. And let's see how market pans out tomorrow. As of now, I am real little bullish towards market, and we can evaluate that. So as a daily process, we'll be going through the tickers. Today we have an extended list because a couple of our friends wanted to cover some tickers, so we have included that. In case you have any questions for me, you can message me on Twitter, and you can watch this video live on my channel or later on once you have time. Okay, again, we'll have the same process. We'll talk about the support, potential targets, any potential bias, directional movements, all of that. All right, so let's get started. First thing first, we'll talk about ES futures. So ES has finally broken below this 444 and tested this long-term support, which is this dark green line. Now I am positive here because it has bounced and it managed to close around 4347, and right now it is bouncing from this level. So I think it has made a case for a double bottom, and now if it holds this level, we can have a substantial move upside. Because all the pressure, all the negativity towards Fed tapering, I think everything has been discounted now. Now we should see some relief rally because we have already seen a good 250 point route in the span of 2 3 days. That was a massive route below 447. So now if I have to be in a positional or a directional bias, I'll be a buyer at 4347 or above, and I will get a confirmation around this zone, which is 436065 to 43, like exactly this area. Okay, right this one. If I draw a line here, you will see this. I want somewhere here. Yeah. Not a clean line. Let me just increase the chart and show you right there. This level. It needs to break out from here. This level. Let me mark it as some other color so it's easily identifiable. Let me make it dark blue. So this is the level which it needs to cross. Once it does, it can break 4385. 4385 could be a good resistance, but anytime it breaks above 4370, 4365 to 4370, it is set up for a good move towards 4385. Any move between 4316 to 4347 should be a buying opportunity. I am not shorting this market now because it has done its piece. Now short will only come below 4295, and I'm not shorting it below or in between this area. I will short once it breaks below this. All right, so my bias is now positive. Buy near 4347 to 4365. Stop loss will be 4316. I will just keep it 4316, and target will be 4385, 4407, and 444. This is a potential target which can come. Sell below 4295 only. 4295, and stop loss will be again 4316. between 4316 to 4347. That's a no trade zone. Let me just mention that 4316 to 4347, no trade zone. And potential target below this will be 4247 and 4221. So that is my bias on ES. I am 70% here and 30% on downside at this moment. Let me just rename this conviction. Nasdaq. Nasdaq also tested, and it's trying, like, it managed to close around 15,000, and now it's trying to hold above 15,000 and 38. Most likely, we need to hold this level, because again it bounced right from this 100%, which is a Fibonacci of last time. So it bounced right from there. Now it needs to take a support of 14,961 and move above 15,038, can take it to 15,115 and 15,225. So it has potential to go up, keeping 14,961 as a stop loss. It has already, so I'm not neutral anymore, I'm positive here. Buy above 15,038, stop loss 14,961, target 15,115 and 15,225. Conviction is again 70%. Triple Q is similar to Nasdaq. It tested 34 EMA on Friday, broke below, came down and tested the long-term 361. So it has done its job. Now anytime it comes around 365, 360 area, it should be a good buy. And target will be 372 to 374. And stop loss will come around this range of 362.80. Buy around 365, 362.80. Target will be 372, 30 and 374.57. American Airlines, I am positive in American Airlines, as well as I have positions in American Airlines as well. So I am little, it's making a W pattern, you see right there, and a bullish engulfing today. Even in this market, it had made a bullish engulfing, which is positive. So I'm expecting a move towards 21 to 2160 on American Airlines, and stop loss will be 1990. And we can revisit this maybe tomorrow once we have the close. I am already in this position, so I am again 70%. Amazon had a very disastrous day. It came down all the way and managed to close below 3384. Last time it struggled to break out of 3384. So only if it breaks above 3384, you need to buy this. Otherwise, the best opportunity to buy is around 3286. If it goes above 3384, yes, it's a potential buy for 3441 and 3427. So Amazon, I'm still neutral, buy above 3384, and stop loss will be is kind of a double bottom 3356. So let it cross this 3384 and keep the stop loss. 3427, 3441, 3495. Here I'm about 60%. CRM did not went down, plus it has an event which is coming up. So I'm bullish on CRM. Like if you see a channel right here, if I draw a channel, they tested the channel bottom, and this is the channel which is right there for CRM. It has tested the bottom. It should go and test the upper side, which is 262, 263, and this is a seller zone. So once it breaks about 262, 63, 266 should come in picture. It is looking positive to me because it is gradually moving up, not substantially, gradually moving up. Even today, it did not lose as much as compared to rest of the market. So it has potential to move up. So I'm still positive here. The only thing which will change here is instead of 260, it will be around 257 to 258 area. By stop loss will be 250, bottom of the channel, which is 255. Boeing, I've included Boeing after a long time because Boeing has broken below this channel and now trading below. And in the past, let me just remove this. You see, it has come down here, tested this line once again, 26 area, 27 area, and has made a base. Every time it comes around this range, you see it sees a bounce, comes here, sees a bounce. So I'm expecting a bounce on BA with a stop loss of 206, and target is 213 and 219. So BA, I am neutral because I wanted to see it move up by near 208. Stop loss will be 206. Target 213.85 to 18.90. CRM, I'm 80% positive. On this setup, BA, I'm about 60%. Facebook. Facebook routed almost 10% from its all-time highs, 344 to 349, and it bounced right here where it had support in the past, and it managed to close below 358, which is its long-term trend line. Now, if anything, because I've been on bearish end on Facebook for a couple of days, I'll be buyer on Facebook only if, like, this was a morning star in the last time and it bounced right from here. So from the top, it came down here. If I go above 358, I'll be bullish. for 367 and 370. Only above 358. And stop loss will be this line, which comes around 355. 354.75. Again, I am 60% conviction here. Google has also seen a good sell-off, but again, like with the market, it bounced from its long-term trend line and made a base. Now it has to fill the gap of 2800. So anytime it tests 2790, a break above 2790 can fill the gap 2811 and 2839. So again, neutral, buy above 2790, and target will be 2811, 2839, and stop loss should come here 2756. On this again, I'm 60% because these were weak hands, Boeing, Google, and Facebook. So if they have to move, they need to show some strength. Lucid, I'm very positive on this. I have recommended Lucid. It has bullish engulfing. Target is 26. Stop loss should be somewhere around 2230. 26 to 2740 is target for Lucid first. 26, 2740, and stop loss 2290. Buy near 2324. Moderna. Moderna has an inside day and it is not looking good. It's kind of struggling in this range. And with AstraZeneca and Pfizer thing coming, it's a hammer, inverted hammer here. So inverted hammer shows negative on the top side. So I will be a seller in Moderna with a stop loss of 425. I will get a confirmation below 410, or I would even say 415. I am now short. Sell below 415. Stop loss 425. Target should be 396 and 380. I'm about 75% sure on this. Lucid amount 80%. Tesla is weak. It's again like testing. It has been holding this 34 EMA, but it's testing again and again. So I would be like, if market is moving up, Tesla might move up, but I don't see a very big move on it. So if you want to go long on Tesla, keep a stop loss of 720. I am not positive. I'm neutral. Buy of 733. Stop loss 720.65. Target 745, 765. About 60%. Shop is trying to hold. It has made a double bottom, so I am actually positive on Shop here. 1 and 2. It's almost double bottom here. So anytime it breaks, or even I would say you can go long here above 1450. Short positive by above 1450. Stop loss will be 1428. Target will be 1480. 1490. I'm about 70% confident in this. Roku, I'm super positive. Roku has held throughout the day. It is setting up for a morning star. Showing me a bull flag, maintained the lows, and it's giving me a very good signal that yes, it's ready to move up. A break above today's high, which was 319, will be a good indicator. Target will be 329 and 352. Stop loss will be today's low. 329, 352. Here I'm about 90% confident. This is the high conviction trade on Roku. Buy near 317, 312 or 311. The low was 311. I will keep 311 as my stop loss. Netflix failed and went below 577, which was not good. Now this is making an evening star here. It's not looking good. I'll not be trading Netflix. No trade on Netflix. I do not want to touch it now. Chewy was green at the end of the day, and it's like 75.33 is the area where it has struggled in the past, and now it's taking as a base. So I am kind of positive on Chewy with a target of 77.35. Stop loss is very small, 75.30, and target is 77.35 and 79.80. So I am looking forward on Chewy. Target will be 77.35, 79.85. Stop loss will be 75 and buy about 75.60. I'm about 80% confident in this. MasterCard had double top and now it's almost completing M. So for MasterCard, it can come like if market supports. Again, there is a very big if market supports this banks and payment companies. I would say 346. Like if it makes a green candle tomorrow, above 341, it can be positive. Target can be 346 and 354. It is setting up for like I'm still neutral because it has not set up, but by above 341, potential target will be 346 and 352. About 70% here is setting up a morning star after a big top down, but it needs to break above 346 and stop loss will come yeah 335. 335 has been a previous range. It has seen, so I'm not bullish on MasterCard, but I'm little neutral with an upward bias. Pen breakdown happened. See, it's in middle of nowhere. It's not setting up for a up move or it's not setting up for a down move. I would prefer if it comes around 67, 68 to go long, or if it comes around 81 to short. In between, I don't have confidence for it to. Let me just make a couple of more levels in this. So if you really want to trade this one, you should be buying above 73.65 for a target of 76. My recommendation is to buy around 69.70 area. There's no trade which is setting up right now. Buy above 73.65. Stop loss should be 70. Target 76.60 and 79. About 60%. Position no buy, no trade zone. So this was the list of tickers which we are planning for tomorrow. FedEx, Adobe, and Nike, they have earnings. I'll talk about FedEx. FedEx has earnings tomorrow. FedEx gave an opportunity today. It's showing a buy side right now. I'll be a buyer on this, and I'll be looking for 258 to 267 on FedEx. So I'll be, if I have to take a position on FedEx, I'll be bullish. I'll take as much as above 254. It can be a good candidate for run. 258 to 67. And, if you see, it has seen one side direction. From 319, it has almost given up 20%. And now it is making dodgy and down, which is kind of reflection that yes, the selling is enough, is done. It might revert back from here. All right, so guys, this was the market plan for tomorrow, and right now ES is on day high, made 4368. So I'm pretty much positive on tomorrow's buys. Please do your due diligence before committing into any trade. And thanks for watching this video. We'll connect tomorrow. If anybody has any questions, you can come back to Zoom and we can do some Q&A. Thank you.